Okay, so we've been running here about 12 minutes or so. This is coming out of Premiere Pro 2020 in a 1080 timeline, but the source material is UHD ProRes 422 material shot in a S-Log profile, so we're running a color filter on it, Lumetri in Premiere Pro actually in this case, and then slapping a Ultra Key. They're shot over a chroma key background, so Ultra Key is applied, and we have a 1080 Ti and a 1080 in the machine, as well as the Ryzen 3950x processor. And so I just wanted to check temperatures here. You can see it's cruising along pretty nice. It's also blurring that background that's in there with a Gaussian blur, so that takes a little bit extra as well. Again, 4K material downscaled into a 1080 timeline, so the render is a 1080 render to H.264. While it's going, I've been watching temperatures, and so I'm running my HW info here, and we've got CPU temps set up here on the top row of this section. And if you follow the numbers across, you can see it's current, minimum, maximum, and average. The average temp is hovering right around 65 degrees Celsius, and we've peaked as high as 72.5 degrees Celsius, but most of the time we're cruising well below that. You know, right now we're at 62 point something, and there it goes. It had a little peak. We're cooling it with an AIO radiator cooler from Cooler Master. So it's a 240 model. So they're in the roof of the box, and the box is down here. It's the H500. You can kind of see the light up RAM inside there. But those radiators are blowing right through that grill there. And air intakes through these big 200 millimeter fans, two of them.